Hello friends! In this video you will learn how to check investment project on smart contract. So, how to understand whether it is worth investing in it or is it better to bypass it? First, let's take a look at data provided by DebtRadar resource. According to its analytics, state of project investments is quite attractive. And seems there is no fall yet. But let's try to go deeper. By the way, analyzed project is called Tron Neo, and it's ultra profitable project. Total invested million. And since this is a smart contract, this information should be easy to verify. But as you can see, information provided on this site is rather minimalistic. There is no audit and no presentation of contract itself. But before making deposit in such project, we consider it necessary to check smart contract or is it safe. Are there any holes and backdoors, thanks to which admin will be able to take away from project what he is not supposed to. Therefore, having an independent audit is a very desirable thing, without which we would not recommend investing. Next, let's learn how to check how things are going with project you're interested in. If, for example, as in Tron Neo project, admin did not provide information about address of smart contract, then we can use DebtRadar resource. Here we have data we need since admin had to specify it for listing. So we go to transcon.com and here we have information for Tron Neo for that very moment. And on its balance we see only one Tron. Remember, for first what we saw, that project now have only small drawdown. That is, we can say that life of this project has already ended. And let's see how he died. As we remember, project does not have an audit for holes. And as we can see, at one point, all money just went away. So let's summarize. For success, you need to have an audit and actual analysis of receiving deposits. The main thing is not to get on the last carriage. If the dynamics of deposits is positive, you can try. Now there is one more nuance. Even if a certain audit is presented on site, you need to carefully look at whether it is worth trusting. Here is an example. Attached file with audit information. Most of all, we are interested in critical severity, and this item has not yet been completed. Let's also see if we can verify this audit. We go to website of company that made this audit and try to find it here. But unfortunately, there is simply no section where they publish these audits. And we conclude that any admin can take such a file, edit it for desired project and use it according to own wishes. Such audit does not inspire confidence at all. To make sure that audit is really passed, you need to make sure that this information is also on auditor's website. For example, in this way, 10 days ago we checked and entered a highly profitable project and it still works normally and already gives 5.7% per day. Let's take a look at audit here. The file is also attached here on project site. But in addition, it was published and on website of auditor's company. So there is also an official confirmation on blog section. And do not forget that you have to be among first to enter such projects. Take a closer look at the dynamics of deposits. Even if project has been living for some time, if you see that it has just begun to develop and deposits curve went up rapidly, make deposit. But if you see that deposits began to go up more smoothly or even began to decline, it is too late to enter. Risks is very high. Even if project is very popular, it is better to stay aside. We strongly recommend to invest only amount that you do not afraid to lose. And remember that first of all it is a pyramid secured from fact that one day admin will simply disappear with entire balance. We wish you only successful internet investments. Good luck!